Alright, you bunch of lazy tech-deprived assholes, it's time to stop f***ing around and get your hands on a laptop that doesn't make you want to tear your hair out every time you try to open an app. If you're still rocking that outdated piece of shit, then it's time to get off your ass and grab the ASUS VivoBook 15 thin and light laptop. This beauty is only $205, and let me tell you, that's a steal. If you think you can find something better than this, you're a fucking idiot. And if you're ready to stop looking like an amateur and actually level the fuck up, I've left a link to the best deals down in my description below. Don't be a dumbass. Click it and get yourself set up right. Let's talk about the 15.6-inch Full HD display because that's where this laptop starts to kick ass. You're getting 1920 by 1080 resolution. That's right, no more blurry, shitty video calls or trying to make sense of your work on some dim-ass screen. This thing's got a 4-way NanoEdge bezel that gives you an 88% screen-to-body ratio. You're basically getting a full-on cinematic experience minus the bullshit. Whether you're binging Netflix, pretending to work, or doing whatever the hell you do when you're not on this goddamn laptop, this screen's gonna make everything look sharp as hell. Now let's talk about what's powering this beast. It's rocking the Intel i3-1005G1 CPU, and yeah, I know it's not the most insane chip, but for $205, you're getting a 10th gen Intel Core i3 that can hit up to 3.4 gigahertz, so no more sitting around like an asshole while your laptop takes 10 minutes to load. Whether you're grinding out your shitty assignments or trying to get through a Zoom call without looking like a fucking ghost, this thing has you covered. It's got 8 gigabytes of RAM, so you won't be watching it freeze every 30 seconds. The 128 gigabyte SSD will make sure you never deal with the slow-ass loading time you get with that bullshit hard drive. Oh, and let's talk about the ergonomic backlit keyboard. Yeah, and the last thing you want is to type on some bullshit keyboard that feels like you're smashing your fingers into concrete. This laptop's got a keyboard that actually makes sense, so you can type for hours without feeling like you're about to lose your fucking mind. And don't even think about using a stupid password, because the fingerprint sensor powered by Windows Hello lets you log in with a swipe of your finger. No more typing in your dumb password over and over. Now, for the real MVP of this machine, the exclusive ErgoLift design. ASUS thought it'd be a good idea to give your lazy ass a better typing position. When you open the laptop, the keyboard lifts up at an angle to give you that perfect ergonomic position. You won't be hunching over like a goddamn troll anymore, typing like you're possessed by a computer demon. And this is the laptop that takes care of your wrists and your ass. For just $205, you're getting a laptop that punches way above its weight. It's got the power, the screen, the keyboard, and the performance to make you look like you know what the fuck you're doing, whether you're working, studying, or just wasting time on the web. It's got enough juice to run all your bullshit without making you want to throw the damn thing out the window every 5 minutes. If you don't want to be a complete idiot with your content, get the ASUS VivoBook 15. I've linked it down in the description. Click it, grab that shit, and thank me later. So stop wasting time with that slow-ass garbage laptop you've been clinging to. Get the ASUS VivoBook 15, click the link, grab it before it's gone, and stop looking like a fucking amateur. Don't waste another second on that bullshit. Grab the ASUS VivoBook 15 thin and light laptop now for $205 and thank me later when your work's flying by and you're not stuck in that slow-ass hellhole you've been living in. Like, comment, subscribe, or don't. Honestly, I don't give a fuck.